Impossibly small. You would need a microscope to see it. You would probably look at it and shrug and move on. That would be a mistake. This organism is called a cyanobacterium. It looks like nothing special, but locked inside it is a chemical trick that has never been performed on this planet before. It can take sunlight, pull carbon dioxide from the water, and use that energy to build itself. And when it is done, when it has taken what it needs, it releases what it does not want. It releases oxygen. Now here is the comedy of it, and also the horror. This cyanobacterium is not doing this for you. It is not building toward anything. It has no plan, no agenda, no awareness that it is about to commit the largest act of environmental destruction in the history of life on Earth. It is just eating and breathing and going about its microscopic business. And yet, the world will never be the same. At first, nothing dramatic happens. The oxygen gets absorbed almost immediately by the iron dissolved in the oceans. The iron grabs onto every oxygen molecule and sinks to the seafloor in massive rusty layers. Geological records show this happening across billions of years of rock. Orange and red-banded iron formations, stacked up in layers, like the ocean quietly filing paperwork before the trial begins. The ancient anaerobic world goes on, completely unaware. The cyanobacteria multiply, spread, cover the shallow seas. The iron runs out. And this is where everything changes. This is where you need to lean in. Because when the iron runs out, the oxygen has nowhere left to go. It cannot be absorbed. It cannot be stored. It begins, molecule by molecule, to leak into the atmosphere. Slowly at first, then in larger quantities, then in quantities that begin to fundamentally alter the chemistry of the sky itself. Scientists call what happens next the Great Oxidation Event. It happened roughly 2.4 billion years ago. And if you had been standing on Earth the day this tipped, if such a thing were possible, it would have looked like nothing. No explosion, no flash of light, no dramatic moment. Just a slow, creeping, invisible tide of poison rolling across a world that had never encountered it before. Poison. That is what oxygen was to the dominant life on Earth. Think about that the next time someone hands you a green juice and calls it detoxifying. To the anaerobic organisms that had ruled this planet for over a billion years, the Great Oxidation Event was a mass extinction so complete that no human catastrophe comes close to touching it. The asteroid that killed the dinosaurs wiped out perhaps 75% of species. The Great Oxidation Event killed the overwhelming majority of all life on Earth. Not with fire, not with impact, with air, with the air you are breathing right now. The survivors retreated into the only places oxygen could not easily follow: deep ocean vents.